We are on the second day of the 11th Panther International VATS course in Lisbon. Today we are in the Nova University teaching surgeons to do Uniportal VATS in the cadaver lab. We have 5 stations. As you can see, all of them are doing Uniportal VATS very well. And yesterday we did the first day. It was a wonderful, very productive day where we did 5 cases of live surgery and we gave also lectures to show them the innovations. We have participants coming from Ecuador, Poland, Argentina, Russia, everywhere in the world. So welcome to the next course.
So I really enjoyed it.
It's a very interesting course and I very appreciate it.
There are 3 very important things in a course. The first thing is to have good lectures from basics to the last innovations in surgery. The second thing is the live surgery. Yesterday we performed 5 cases in Lucia's hospital in Lisbon, very complex cases where the surgeons came to the OR with us in groups and the other group stayed in the auditorium in live surgery with the best retransmission. And the third part of a good course is the cadaver lab, the simulation. So here in Nova Medical School we have the best way to train with the cadaver lab because it's the best model to train surgeons in minimal invasive thoracic surgery.
It's a really great course. We have really great opportunity to learn from Javier and Diego. Really cool opportunity as well to try out all the new technology.
It was a great experience. All the course is really interesting.
An amazing course. You can improve your skills in Uniportal VATS and learn a lot of tricks to do it. And if you want to come, it's the best option you can do it.